Ever submit an assignment only to realize later that there were grammar mistakes and awkward sentences? Been there, done that. It's the worst. So here's a tip. Always have AI copy edit your assignments before submitting them to ensure your paper is clear and free of the errors that can sneak in during late night writing sessions. So how do you do this? Pick your favorite AI tool who will now take on the role of your best friend who loves editing and tell her what you want her to look for. This can be done with a prompt that asks AI to edit your assignment with a focus on enhancing readability, correcting spelling mistakes and punctuation errors, poorly phrased sentences or paragraphs, ensuring active voice, addressing strange word choices, and adding other instructions important to you. Then tell it to ensure that the original tone and style is preserved wherever possible and paste in your assignment. In seconds, you'll have a polished version of your paper ready for submission. Now, go get some sleep.